Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, commercial connections, Facebook friends, LinkedIn connections, social media friends. LinkedIn connections, LinkedIn is not yet open to me, so I cannot post it in LinkedIn, but I can post it in social media such as Facebook and WhatsApp. I will be reading out now an update from an invitation that I received from Liberal FNF International FNF for it. It is called Liberal International Prize for Freedom. This year the award goes to Mr. Osama Kavadia. He is from Turkey. It will be received by his wife. Um, I'll be reading out the invitation now. It is in English. First admission is by 1730. On In May, the program is scheduled. I'm planning to attend because I have been invited, but I need to get visa. If I get visa and return ticket from FNF, I'll be able to attend. Otherwise, also I consider attending it based on the convenience, financial convenience, mutual convenience. My knees need to be ready. All these conditions are applicable. So I'll be attending based on that. Welcome address by admission. Born Desai, Britain, out of the Liberal International Human Rights Committee. Professor Dr. Carl H. Peck, President of the Liberal International, former chairman of the Frederick Norman Foundation for Freedom, Turkish social scientist, and Eminent Professor of Political Economy as well as the wife of Osman Kawalia, laudatory speech. Dr. Marin Jasper Winter, member of the Executive Board of the Frederick Nam Formation for Justice and Europe of Saxony. Um, Closing remarks. Dr. Jorge Martens, President of the German Group of Liberal International, former Minister of Justice and for Europe or of Saxony, accommodate acceptance speech. Um, Usman Kawalia, given by his wife as Bagra, dinner and news networking. End of the event. Usmania Kavara is a Turkish entrepreneur, philanthropist, and patron of art and culture, who has been uh, committed to dialogue, reconciliation, and a strong civil society by founding the foundation of Kultur. He created an important platform for secure cultural exchange and cooperator across soldiers. Since 2017, Kawale has been imprisoned and despite international uh, imprisonment. He also his fate late has become a symbol of struggle for a home, for human rights, democracy, and the rule of law. Has opened numerous international honors. It recognizes integration of his commitment with the Prize for Freedom 2025. Liberal International pays tribute to the to his tireless dedication to freedom and civil society dialogue. About the Frederick Naumann Foundation for Freedom, together with Liberal International, uh, invites you to the award ceremony of the Liberal International Prize for Freedom 2025. Our Prize for Freedom will be awarded to the human rights activist Usman Kawaya. The award honors a man whose life and work are a powerful business whose life and work are a enduring. Usman Kawaria remains injustly imprisoned in Turkey. The prize will be accepted by his credited on his behalf by wife Aya Bangla, who continues to uphold his commitment to justice, pluralism, and democracy. Following the award ceremony, award ceremony, Johannesburg dinner as well as conversation and networking with all our potential for a liberal world, our political education and scholarship programs. The Frederick Naumann Foundation for Freedom offers a regular program for in a particular education, and we enable individuals to play an active role in political affairs. We support leaders, young people through scholarships, international and our work in more than 60 countries. It promotes human rights and democracy by supporting political dialogue and policy advice. A mission and commitment like since 2007, the World for Freedom. Now the Worlds for Freedom have formed a part of our foundation. Our head office is in this Potsdam, and we maintain offices throughout the world for political analysis, liberal arguments, and the latest news from the foundation. Visit Fred. This is the summary of the today's email invitation. Thank you so much.